Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by stating purpose and audience of the focus group report clearly. Explain who commissioned the study and why the findings matter. Outline the 6 sections you will use for clarity and navigation. Tell readers you will include methodology, participant profile, themes, quotes, analysis, and recommendations. Set expectations about length and level of detail to match reader needs. Promise a 1-page executive summary with the top 3 findings and recommended next steps. Describe recruitment methods, sample size, and demographic breakdown with precise numbers. State how many sessions you ran and the duration of each session. Explain recording tools used, transcription methods, and any anonymity steps you took. Present 3 to 5 main themes discovered across participants and support each one with direct participant quotes. Use subheadings for each theme and include short illustrative quotes to retain voice. Add simple charts or tables to show theme frequency and response patterns clearly. Analyze implications of each theme and translate them into actionable recommendations for stakeholders. Prioritize recommendations by impact and feasibility using a simple scoring rubric or checklist. Specify who should act, suggested timeline, and a measurable outcome for each recommendation. Keep an appendix with full transcripts, consent forms, and raw tables for transparency. Conclude with a brief 1-paragraph summary and a 1-page executive summary ready for presentation. Prepare a slide deck.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.